nga dito. Good morning! It's 4 a.m. and we're not yet sleeping. Kasi yung mga singlets nitong event na to, custom commodities yung gumawa. So dahil rush siya, hindi pa ako natutulog. And medyo happy ako, reminiscing na dito sa Ultra yung event. Kasi when I was in grade school, nung nagko-compete pa ako for NCR sa swimming, ganun ako kalakas nun. Hindi ngayon, malakas lang ako sa rice ngayon. Pero, lagi kami nag-jogging dito nung Pasig Flying Dolphins team. Balik 3 times every weekend. Tapos, 3 times a week, bago yan mag-training for 2 hours. Okay, so good morning guys. So ngayon nandito tayo sa track oval ng Ultra or Philippine Sports Center kung tawagin nila. And today we're hosting Fulfill Data and Bridge na Sports Fest. So it's more than just a run, also a sports fest. So this is just only one of the sports events that I host. So tara, ibang klaseng energy naman yung ibibigay dito. But again, when it's an event hosted by yours truly, it's sure to be filled with energy, happiness, and love. Let's go! Suot na nila yung t-shirt namin. Suot na nila yung singlet. Iba sa puso eh. Kasi alam mo yung nakita ko yung staff na magpuyat. Nakita ko talagang piece per piece. Binantayan. Ang sarap. Ang sarap sa heart. Ang sarap mo sa t-shirt. Race director. Uy! Look! Ano yung shirt? Kiklig ako. Okay, baby girl. Start na. Hi! So usually, meron silang tatlong theme na pwede nating pagpilian or nyo pagpilian kapag nag-book kayo ng party sa Kinder City. And in this case, kasama po ang host ninyo sa package na pwede i-book. So merong Carnival, merong Safari, and merong Princess. So today, it's Carnival theme, kaya let's go! Pasok tayo.
The Princess and Sebastian gets a sticker and one more congratulations. No, congratulations. You get a prize. Okay, next. Let's bring me anybody here. Can't bring me combat powder.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, now make a wish and blow your birthday cake. It's your 7th birthday. Kinder City has a gift for you. Hi! So we're done with the PhilData, and Bridges Sports Fest kanina. Nandun tayo sa Ultra. So ngayon, we're here all the way in Cavite, in Kinder City to host for a kiddie party. So ibang genre naman to, but same energy, same high energy. Again, my name is Colleen and I'm your host, and I promise you that every event, no matter what this is, will be filled with energy, happiness, and love.
See